Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about one of these UK's biggest and most established banking system, which is Lloyds Bank. So to dive into the review, talking about Lloyds Bank is one of the UK's biggest and most established banks, offering a wide range of service from everyday current account to savings, credit card and mortgage. It stands out for its strong branch presence compared to many rivals, plus extra pick on premium accounts like travel insurance, breakdown cover and cashback reward. The Lloyds mobile app is easy to use for everyday banking, and a long-time standing reputation gives customers confidence that their money is in safe hands. So on the downside, Lloyds Bank has been reducing branches, which makes in-person banking harder for some customers, especially in rural areas. It helps while functionals lack some modern budgeting and investment features that digital first bank provide. So talking about the customer service can also be hit or miss, with some report of low response and unresolved complaint. So in conclusion, Lloyds Bank is a reliable choice for those who want a traditional bank with extras. But if you prefer advanced digital tools or fast support, a challenger bank might be a better fit for you in that aspect. And that's it. Hope you find the review helpful. Hit the turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.